Everybody is looking for quick fixes when their scanner stops working. If your HP scanner isn't scanning, don't worry. Here's what you need to do. First, make sure your HP scanner is turned on and connected to your computer. Check the cables or Wi-Fi connection. If it's a wireless scanner, make sure it's on the same network as your PC. Next, restart both your scanner and your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can solve the problem. Still not working? Open the HP Smart app or the scanning software you use. Look for any error messages. If you see one, follow the steps on the screen. No error messages? Try updating your scanner drivers. Go to the HP website, find your printer model, and download the latest software. Finally, check if your scanner is set as the default scanning device on your computer. On Windows, type scanners in the search bar and select your HP scanner. If nothing works, unplug your scanner, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can reset the connection. And that's it. Most HP scanner problems can be fixed with these simple steps. Good luck, and happy scanning.